In a world where the first impression is increasingly digital, how does your local business not just survive, but thrive? Welcome to the digital age, where your business's storefront is no longer just a physical location, but a virtual one as well. This is the era where customers are not just walking by your store, but they're scrolling through their screens, searching for businesses just like yours. The question is, how can you ensure they find you? The answer lies within three simple words: local search engine optimization, or more commonly known as local SEO. Imagine local SEO as the digital equivalent of a town crier, announcing your business's presence to the world. It's a powerful tool that helps your business appear in local search results, right when your potential customers are looking for services or products you offer. But the magic of local SEO doesn't stop there. It's not just about being visible, it's about being relevant. It's about showing up in search results when someone in your local area types in "best pizza place near me" or "emergency plumber." It's about being the answer to their needs, the solution to their problems. This is where local SEO shines. It doesn't just put you on the map, it puts you on the right map, in front of the right audience at the right time. Remember, the internet is a busy, bustling place. It's a global marketplace with millions of businesses vying for attention. But with local SEO, you can cut through the noise and reach the people who matter most to your business, your local community. So, how do you leverage this powerful tool? How do you turn searches into sales? Well, that's exactly what we are about to dive into. From claiming your digital footprint, speaking the local language, to building trust through reviews, we'll unlock the secrets of mastering local SEO. So buckle up and let's start this journey together. Today we unlock the secrets of local SEO that turn searches into sales. Meet Alex, a local cafe owner struggling to attract new customers. Despite brewing the best espresso in town, his cafe was often overlooked. Alex knew he needed a solution, and fast. He realized the first step was to claim his digital footprint, and that's exactly what he did. So, what does claiming a digital footprint mean? Well, it's all about making your business visible and accessible online. In today's digital age, people are more likely to search for a local business online before stepping foot inside. Alex took this to heart and started with creating a robust Google business profile listing for his cafe. He ensured that his listing was accurate and engaging, from the cafe's location and opening hours to a mouth-watering description of his espresso. He left no stone unturned. But he didn't stop there. Alex understood the importance of keeping his audience engaged. He started posting updates about new menu items, special promotions, and even behind-the-scenes peeks of his cafe. Soon he noticed a change. His cafe started appearing in local searches. People were discovering his cafe online before they even smelled the coffee. His digital footprint was leading coffee lovers right to his door, turning searches into sales. Now you may be thinking, well, that worked for Alex, but will it work for me? The answer, quite simply, is yes. Claiming your digital footprint isn't just about having an online presence, it's about creating a presence that accurately represents your business and engages your potential customers. Whether you're a cafe owner like Alex or you run a different kind of local business, your digital footprint can set you apart from competitors. It can turn your business from being overlooked to being overbooked. So take a leaf out of Alex's book. Claim your digital footprint. Start with a robust Google business profile listing. Make it accurate, make it engaging, and watch your business thrive. Remember, in the digital world, your business is as much online as it is offline. Your business's digital footprint begins with a robust Google business profile listing. Accuracy and engagement can set you apart from competitors. Sarah, a plumber, changed her website content to include local keywords like "emergency plumber in." Meet Sarah. She's a plumber who runs her own business. She's skilled, reliable, and always ready to roll up her sleeves and get the job done. But despite her dedication and hard work, her phone wasn't ringing as often as she hoped. Then, Sarah had an epiphany. She realized that her website, which she thought of as her online business card, could be so much more. It could be her megaphone, her billboard, and her magnet for attracting local customers. She decided to sprinkle her website content with local keywords like "emergency plumber in." Now, why did she do that? Well, when people have a plumbing emergency, they don't just search for a plumber. They search for a plumber in. Sometimes they even add "emergency" to their search if their situation is dire. By including these local keywords in her website content, Sarah made sure her business showed up when people in her city were looking for her services. And guess what happened next? That's right. Her phone started ringing off the hook. Suddenly, she was getting more service requests than she could handle. It seemed like everyone in her city who had a plumbing issue was calling her. It was as if she had unlocked a secret code, a code that connected her business with her community's needs. By speaking the local language, by using the words that her potential customers were using in their searches, Sarah made her business the go-to solution for plumbing emergencies in her city. So what's the key takeaway here? It's simple. Integrating local keywords into your website and content can dramatically increase your visibility in local searches. It can make your business the first one that people think of when they need your services. It can turn your website from a simple online business card into a powerful tool for attracting customers. And that, my friends, is the power of speaking the local language. Integrating local keywords into your website and content speaks directly to your community's needs, making your business the go-to solution. Tom's repair shop was the town's best-kept secret until he encouraged happy customers to leave online reviews. Imagine a world where your business is a beacon of trust and quality, not just in your town, but in the digital realm as well. This is the world that Tom, the owner of a local repair shop, stepped into when he started focusing on gathering positive online reviews. Tom was a master at his craft, fixing everything from leaky faucets to faulty car engines. His customers loved his work, but outside of his loyal clientele, not many people knew about his business. It was a gem waiting to be discovered in the hustle and bustle of the digital world. Then, Tom had a light bulb moment. He realized that his satisfied customers were his greatest assets. They were the key to building trust in his business, not just in the town, but in the online world too. So Tom started asking his customers for reviews. He made it a point to request them to share their positive experiences on popular review platforms. He understood that in this digital age, word of mouth spreads fastest online. And what's a better word of mouth than a glowing review from a satisfied customer? Slowly but surely, the reviews started pouring in. And with each positive review, Tom's repair shop started climbing the ladder of online visibility. His business started appearing higher in local search results. People who had never heard of his shop were now reading rave reviews about his excellent service and expertise. The result? Tom's repair shop, which was once the town's best-kept secret, became the first recommendation for local repairs. His customer base grew exponentially and his business thrived like never before. Here's the takeaway. Like Tom, you too can use the power of positive reviews to boost your online reputation. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews. Make it easy for them to share their experiences. Remember, each positive review is a vote of confidence in your business. It's a sign to potential customers that your business is trustworthy and reliable. Positive reviews not only enhance your online reputation, but also improve your local SEO, driving more customers to your business. Your local business has the potential to be the next big thing in your community. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but about mastering the art of visibility in the digital world. A world where your potential customers are constantly searching for their needs. Remember Alex? His cafe was just another place to grab a coffee until he claimed his digital footprint, optimizing his Google business profile. That's where it all starts. Accurate information, engaging posts, and prompt responses to customers set you apart from the crowd. Then there's Sarah, the plumber who spoke the local language. She didn't learn a new dialect, but she did integrate local keywords into her website and content. She made her services easily discoverable to her community, turning her business into the go-to solution for plumbing emergencies. And let's not forget Tom, the repair shop owner who understood the power of trust. By encouraging his satisfied customers to leave online reviews, he built a stellar online reputation. His shop went from being the town's best-kept secret to the first recommendation for local repairs. Each of these stories underscores the power of local SEO. It's about being seen, being relevant, and being trusted. It's about turning searches into sales and strangers into customers. It's about thriving in a digital-first world. But mastering local SEO doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. From creating a robust Google business profile to integrating local keywords, from managing online reviews to staying on top of the latest trends, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? This bustling small town is ready to celebrate your business. It's time to step into the spotlight to let your local community discover what they've been missing out on. And remember, every big thing starts with a small step. Don't let your business get lost in the search. Take the first step today by subscribing for more tips and tricks on becoming the leader in your local market.